Hey everyone, so I'm going to be reviewing this crochet hair from Ebony line called Dalva, and I really wanted a natural bun kind of look that I was going for, so I thought it would be good to use this hair because of how the texture was. The texture looks so natural and it was really soft. This was like the perfect hair to use for this style that I wanted to do. Just a little lazy style, nothing major. So I started by hot combing on my hair back, just to get, the fuzziness out or whatever. And I used Murray's Edge Wax plus Fantasia Spritz to lay my hair. And I started with a bun in my real hair and then crocheted the hair into my bun. And then that's when I started to wrap the hair around the bottom first to make the ponytail more secure and more tight, and then I proceeded to just wrap the hair around it and everything, as you can see in the video. It's a real simple style. Like I said, it's a lazy day style, so it wasn't nothing major, but this hair, it was really perfect to use for this. Like I said before, the texture was so natural to be crochet hair, and I've never really liked using crochet hair because it does get tangled easily as soon as I try to run my fingers through it. But this texture, it was really something different. I really love this brand of crochet hair. So making my buns, I kind of wanted that top knot effect, so what I did was I twisted the hair and then just wrapped it around while I'm still twisting it, just to like I said, give it that top knot bun kind of look. And I left my flyaways out only because, like I said, the natural look, my buns, they always have the little flyaways at the top. So I could have did it with my real hair, but I did want it a little more full, so this hair was just perfect for the look that I was really going for. And I had just laid my edges, and that was really the style. It was really something fast, quick, and cute for the day. I would definitely recommend this crochet hair for buying if you want a natural kind of look. Even like people do those looks with the braids at the top and the crochet hair at the back, I would definitely recommend that crochet hair for those styles. But it was very cute. I do thank Ebony line for sending me this crochet hair. It was definitely worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow Ebony line on Instagram to get this look.